Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Wild Your Garden, and in this video I have two helpers. Here's my children, Ethan.
Hi.
Say hi Ethan. And Lila. Say hello Lila.
Hi.
And we have Siri, who's guarding the operations and making sure everything goes according to plan. So what are we doing today, Ethan?
We're planting some crocuses in the meadow.
And why are we planting crocuses?
Because they're good for bees.
They are. They're a very good source of early nectar and pollen for bees, and Lila's got one she's picked up. These are bulbs that are in what are known as in the green, aren't they, Lila? So they're just sprouting, as you can see, and they have a few different colours. There's some white ones here. What other colours have we got?
Orange.
Orange, yeah, and purple. We've planted a few already, haven't we, Lila? Down there, look. You've helped me plant those, haven't you? And Ethan's planted one already. Where's yours?
There.
Just down there, yeah. So these will come up even stronger next year. So Lila, you want to give the crocus to Ethan? We've got a hole dug ready. So these need to go probably 3 to 4 inches deep in the ground. And Ethan is now going to plant the plant. And make sure the tips are just above the ground. So you can just pull that up a little bit, Ethan. Pull the bulb up a little bit, that's it. And then pull all the soil back round. Get all the soil you can in it.
I can help.
You want to get some, Lila?
I don't like soil.
You do like soil.
Well, I only don't like getting muddy.
All kids like getting muddy. What do you mean? Okay, so just need a little bit more soil around that. There we go. And it always firm round the bulb or the plant, don't we, Ethan?
Yeah.
Just to make sure there is lots of contact with the bulb and the root itself. Hello, Lila. So, there you go. Crocuses, if you haven't thought about putting some in the garden, then do so. We're very much enjoying today, aren't we? It's great to be planting some plants for bees and other insects as well. So, thank you very much for helping, kids. Hope that's all given you an idea of what you can put in your garden for attracting lots of bees and other pollinators at this time of year. So, it's goodbye from our garden, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Say bye, kids.